So I'm going to chat to you today about Olaplex's new product. It is their number 5. Now this is a leave-in conditioner versus the other conditioner. So this product is amazing, and I've got a few notes to read off so I can cover everything on it. Now I used it yesterday on one of my clients. She has super fine hair, always knotty. I feel like I put conditioner on her hair at the basin, but by the time I get back to the seat, her hair feels knotty. So one pump of this, initially I was like, oh, is this enough? Is this really gonna be the product to style her hair with? But once I started blow drying, oh my God, the slip in her hair was amazing. It completely detangled, there was no knots, and it was so shiny. And weirdly, I felt like her hair had more volume. We didn't use any other products just because I wanted to test how this product worked in her hair. And yeah, it just felt bigger. It was beautiful. So that is going to be a must for her. It is just quite a lightweight cream. Now for anyone with fine hair, like my client from yesterday, you only need 1 pump. 2 pumps for everyone else, and unless your hair was super long and very dehydrated, I would probably use 3 then. It, as I said, was really, really light. Now, as a product, it has heat protection, and they also say it helps with your split ends. Now, their studies show up to 88% of split end sealing after 1 use, and 12 times more moisture after 1 use, reducing breakage by 81%. Now, those are quite huge claims, but just from yesterday's use from such a fine hair product, I can see where they're coming from. I feel like as a product, you would easily use this as part of your everyday routine. The other trick is you can use it on dry hair. So if your ends are still feeling really dehydrated, maybe 2 or 3 days later, if you don't wash your hair every day, and your hair lacks luster, it just feels brittle, then just use another, probably even only half a pump, put through the lengths and ends, and it's light enough just to really rehydrate and help smooth those ends out. So as I said, this product will go a long way because you only need 1 to 2 pumps. It's still got all the Olaplex goodness that you expect from a product of theirs, and you can still shampoo and conditioner as normal, use it as a styling product. As I said, use it every time you wash, and I think you'll just find that your hair is much more manageable, very shiny, and on its way to true repair.